Hi guys, today we'll show you how to create a read-only Discord channel. First, unlock your phone and open the Discord app. Once Discord is open, we can choose the server where we want to create the channel. Now look at the left side of the screen and choose your server. Once the server is selected, tap on the server name at the top right side to open the available options. After tapping the server name, you'll see different options. Look for settings and tap on it to continue. Once the settings are open, you'll see different options again. Tap on channels to manage the channels for your server. Now look at the bottom middle of the screen and tap on Create. After that, select Channel to start creating your new channel. Now enter Read Only as the channel name. Once you've entered the name, tap on Create to create the channel. After creating the channel, tap on the Read Only channel name. Different options will appear, and from here we can access the channel permissions. Now tap on Channel Permissions. Once the Permissions section opens, look at the top right side and tap on Advanced. From the Advanced section, you can add a role or add a member. Under Roles, you can select everyone or choose the role you want to manage. And that's how you can create a read-only Discord channel and manage its permissions. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Discord tutorials.